Prior to the 1990s, carbonation was a challenge that plagued the industry. It was so often way overcarbonated or flat. It was a real challenge for the bar and restaurant industry. So in 1991, my father, Mert Fallon, introduced the McDantim Blender to the beer industry worldwide. And it's the first time we've really been able to keep the carbonation on beer perfect, regardless of the length of the system. It helped to revolutionize draft beer today. Prior to that time, the options were compressed air and CO2, which ruins the beer, or premix cylinders, which are both expensive and often not the right blend for beer. McDantim was the first company to make a blender that was technically sound enough to work for draft beer. And I'm proud to say we continue to set the standard in that area. The basic idea of a blender is quite simple, and you adjust a blender every time you take a shower to get the right temperature of water, until somebody flushes a toilet. In a bar, you might have one beer poured every hour, or you might be pouring a beer every 30 seconds. The blender has to be perfect in both of those conditions. That's what separates the McDantim blender. McDantim's foundation is a very strong technical base. My father was an aerospace engineer, and the other man that helped him design the blender actually taught engineering. We've tried to continue that concept forward. We're a very technically based company, and everybody from our engineers to our employees who assemble the blenders do everything they can to keep it perfect.
With the technical knowledge that we developed in the beverage gas industry, we were able to use the technology and upscale it in order to use for industrial applications like welding shielding gases or food packaging gases.
It's always been our policy here at McDantim not to push our products on people. What's really important to us is that we are where we are today because we're producing a quality product and we're really passionate about beer.
McDantim is part of a growing community of businesses whose job or mission is actually to preserve beer quality from the brewery right through the glass at your local bar. We've been fortunate enough over time to partner with and grow with other businesses who have the same mindset quality.
It's really been a joy being part of the beer industry today. The passion for quality is something unmatched in my experience. We want to be part of the group of people that help ensure that beer going forward is always an incredible product.